At least twice in its long history, the Earth was fully covered in thick ice. From the poles to the equator, the Earth became a giant snowball several times. Today, the landscape has transformed, but massive ice sheets still remain on our planet. As the ice starts to rapidly melt, scientists are uncovering secrets hidden beneath the tundra. This colossal ice sheet has an impressive thickness of nearly 2 miles in some areas. In fact, it covers about 80% of the entire territory of Greenland. Here, rapid glaciers like Jakobshav move at an astonishing speed, reshaping the rugged landscape. The glacier slides forward, pushing ice into the coastal waters to create towering icebergs.
Some of these icebergs tower over 300 feet, matching the height of the Statue of Liberty.
Yet, these visible wonders are only a fraction of what makes this island so unique. Although Greenland is massive, its geography and climate make it a land of extremes. Greenland is over 3 times the size of Texas, yet its population is incredibly small.
With just 56,000 residents, it has the lowest population density in the world. With
frigid temperatures render the vast majority of the island completely uninhabitable for humans.
However, along the southwest coast, the Gulf Stream brings warmer, more moderate temperatures. This creates a comfortable habitat where 1/3 of the island's population resides.
In contrast, the central part of Greenland remains frozen, with temperatures always below zero.
In this central region, the snow never melts, slowly accumulating year after year. Freshly fallen snow is light and fluffy, with a very low initial density. As new layers accumulate, the immense weight compresses the older snow underneath. At a depth of over 260 feet, air bubbles are squeezed out. Under this extreme pressure, the snow solidifies completely, transforming into dense glacier ice. Greenland holds an incredible 695,000 cubic miles of ice. This massive ice sheet has existed for hundreds of thousands, perhaps millions of years. But Greenland was not always frozen. Beneath the ice lies a hidden, rocky world. Millions of years ago, it was a flourishing haven where diverse life thrived. Valleys, rivers, and numerous lakes once defined this beautiful, ice-free landscape. Even today, a small part of Greenland remains green, known as the Kingwa Valley. As global temperatures rise, this green patch could trigger the spread of vegetation. Gradually, the island might reclaim its green past, transforming once again. In 1966, a military drilling project made an unexpected discovery. At the very bottom, they reached the soil, capturing a snapshot of the past.
They found perfectly preserved fossil plants, including delicate twigs and leaves.
These ancient plants were freeze-dried, preserved in a state of suspended animation.
If you add water, they unfurl, looking as if they were frozen just yesterday. Other areas were covered in tundra, a cold and windy landscape without trees. Yet, resilient low-lying plants thrived in this harsh, ancient ecosystem. Today, the ice sheet serves as a perfect time capsule of Earth's history. It allows us to peer directly into the ancient, vibrant ecosystems of this northern land. Greenland's thick ice sheet acts as a massive insulator for the ground below. The Earth's internal heat warms the bedrock, shielding it from frigid air above. In some areas, this heat melts the base of the ice sheet, creating moisture.
This moist soil allows the massive ice sheet to slide and flow faster.
This rapid movement can potentially accelerate the overall melting rate of the ice.
Currently, Greenland loses over 200 billion tons of ice every year.
This is an astronomical amount of fresh water entering the global oceans.
It is enough to fill almost 91 million Olympic-sized swimming pools.
Each of these pools holds over 600,000 gallons of water. If the entire Greenland ice sheet melts, global sea levels would rise dramatically.
Sea levels would rise by 23 feet, flooding major coastal cities worldwide.
This would cause devastating damage to millions of people living near coastlines.
Over 680 million people currently live in low-lying coastal areas.
By the year 2050, this number could surpass 1 billion people.
Understanding the ice sheet is crucial for predicting our planet's future.
In 2013, scientists discovered a colossal canyon hidden deep beneath the ice. This subglacial canyon is over 460 miles long.
It stretches 6 miles wide and reaches depths of 2,600 feet.
This makes it significantly longer than the famous Grand Canyon in Arizona.
It is currently the longest canyon ever discovered on our planet. Millions of years ago, this canyon was likely a massive river system. Frequent flood events pushed water through the bedrock, carving this giant channel. Even today, it carries meltwater from deep beneath the ice into the sea. Scientists also discovered that Greenland once held a massive ancient lake.
To put the scale into perspective, consider this. The entire land masses of Rhode Island and Delaware placed together,
It was fed by at least 18 streams, reaching depths of 800 feet. Today, this ancient lakebed is filled with sediment, holding geological secrets. Radar surveys have also revealed spectacular mountain ranges hidden beneath the ice. It was fed by at least 18 streams, reaching depths of 800 feet. Their sharp ridges and deep valleys directly affect the movement of the ice. Submerged fjords act as pathways, guiding icebergs as they escape to the ocean.
The bedrock beneath the ice also holds a rich reservoir of natural resources.
Geological surveys suggest the presence of rare earth elements and precious metals. Elements like neodymium and dysprosium are critical for modern high-tech electronics. These resources are essential for renewable energy technologies and green applications.
Precious metals like gold, silver, and platinum are also hidden here.
Additionally, these polar ice sheets hold the majority of Earth's freshwater. Additionally, these polar ice sheets hold the majority of Earth's freshwater. The unique geology of this northern landmass also holds massive potential for geothermal energy development. This clean energy source harnesses heat escaping from the Earth's interior.
Geothermal power produces minimal greenhouse gases compared to fossil fuels.
One day, this northern territory could help power humanity's transition to a carbon-free future. Deep within the ice, scientists also discovered bizarre, giant ice formations. Known as jelly roll sculptures, these formations are as big as skyscrapers.
Unlike normal layers, this ice is twisted and rolled under extreme forces. Millions of years ago, a massive asteroid struck ancient, green Greenland.
The impact was millions of times more powerful than an atomic bomb. It left behind the 19-mile-wide Hiawatha crater, now buried under ice. By studying shocked sand grains, researchers dated the impact to 58 million years ago.
Greenland remains a treasure trove of scientific discoveries, guarding our planet's secrets.
As research continues, we will uncover even more secrets hidden beneath the ice. What other mysteries are waiting to be unveiled in this frozen wilderness?
Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and thank you for watching.